Sagittarius, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, Sagittarius. This is the reading for the month of August 2021. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so let's see what's going on with Sagittarius in your career life. 3 cards for career. Okay. Oh, 3 cards for career. Three cards for career. Okay, so there are 4 cards which actually basic 3 cards for career, Sagittarius. I've got 2 cards here, so that's why. Sagittarius, in your relationship, what's going on? Let's take out 3 cards. This is the first card, this is the second card, and this is the third card. It's a situationship reading. That means the situation is currently going on in the month of August with you, or it will be going on. Okay, you'll be seeing it in the month of August. Okay, so guys, in your career life, you will be very much stressed about your career, about your financial life, about your stability when it comes to your career. Sagittarius, you also need to trust your intuition levels, because you are being very confused, juggling between 2 choices, 2 options, 2 connections, 2 decisions, especially between 11th of August to 20th of August. You will be very much highly confused. So I would suggest you to trust your intuition level when it comes to your decision making in your career life, Sagittarius. Okay, also I can say that in the 3rd week, especially from 21st of August to 30th of August 2021, there will be a lot of instability. You will feel very weak into a situation, because nothing will work out into your favor. Even if you are thinking to relocate, shift, even if you are thinking to spend in a real estate business, there will be things which won't be working out in your favor. Okay, related to partnership or related to investment. Okay, so you need to rest for a while. Don't invest at least in the month of August. Okay, and even if you are planning and thinking to relocate, or even if you are thinking to do some sort of business. Okay, so the business should be real estate and event management. Okay, those 2 business you can go for, but at least things will not work out at least in the month of August. Okay, from the month of September it will be working out. Okay, in your career life, I'm telling you, you will be feeling very weak into a situation at least in the month of August. Okay, feeling very low, sad, worried about your career, because things will not be working out in your favor the way you thought about. Okay, Sagittarius, when it comes to your relationship, you are ready to open up with new people, talking to new people. It might be a possibility that you will meet someone, you will be socializing a lot, you will be making friends on the dating app, you will be talking to on dating apps. Okay, so that is the way I'm getting, that you are going to open your heart chakra. Your heart chakra is healed now, and you are ready to open up with the new love, new energy, new opportunities in your personal life. Okay, there's a major change you are waiting for. Okay, major change, the wheel should be turning in your favor. Maybe you are looking for a romantic love partner, you are looking for a marriage partner, you are looking for a soulmate. Okay, so things won't be working out in the month of August, but in the upcoming months, within next 4 months, things will start working out in your favor. The wheel will be turning in your favor, Sagittarius. Okay, also one more thing, you need to be being very patient. You need to waiting game will be a lot in the month of August for you. Okay, just to get the results, you need to, August will be the month of waiting, so that in the upcoming months, okay, the things and the results will be coming automatically. Okay, that's the thing. That's what I'm going to tell you. Also, one more thing, there will be a third party situation, interference might be there in your personal life, if you're already married or if you're already committed. Okay, you also need to let go of the control issues, allow these situations to unfold naturally. Okay, your love life being affected by the children. Some of you might not be having children, or children might be the factor. That's how your relationship is affecting in some way or the other. Okay, Sagittarius, that's not a right thing though. Yeah, you might be dealing with a codependent relationship, karmic relationship, or you might be having a lot of addictions. Alcoholic. You might be alcoholic. You might be having a lot of a smoking problem. You might be a chain smoker. But yeah, a lot of addictions are affecting your romantic love life. Okay. Um, you feel that you have a strong chemistry related to someone. There's a strong magnetic attraction here with someone, and that I can see that. Okay, your friends will be helping out. If you're having issues in certain situations, you need to ask your friends. Okay, because friends will be helping you out in some way or the other, I'm very sure. Okay, you need to forgive things and you need to learn. Okay, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments, present situations. Okay, and I think if you are single or if you're not dating anyone, there's a soulmate entering in your life very soon. Okay, not especially in the month of August, but in the upcoming months a new soulmate is entering into your life. Your prayers, affirmations, visualizations are working out in your favor. The way you thought your romantic partner is entering in your life very soon. Okay, so let's see what's your life purpose, Sagittarius. Okay, so your life purpose is you can be an entrepreneur, and that's true because Sagittarius are good with entrepreneurship. Okay, take charge of this situation. You need to be have your own charge for this situation. Some of you might inspire other people, young people. Okay, some of you might need to go for yoga classes, exercising, or physical exercises. You need to focus on. Okay, to heal your heart chakra. You can be very much emotional in the month of August. At least you are becoming more sensitive and you need to make changes accordingly. That's the thing, I can see that. Okay, creative expression. Your soul longs to express itself, creativity. Wow, so you are being very creative enough in the month of August at least. Okay, there is an infinite abundance waiting for you. You are fully supported as you devote yourself to your divine life purpose. Okay, a major abundance is waiting for you guys, which is way too good, Sagittarius. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you, Sagittarius. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care guys.